Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check event schedules in Heartopia. So like fishing events, insect catching, bird watching, etc. So you don't have to be confused again on like when event starts. So for the winter season one, you're just going to press on this like snowman here and press fashion activity. And then here you'll see winter bird watching event. It says starts at Friday, 4 p.m. ish, 4:10 p.m. lasts for about 6 minutes. And then for the butterfly one at 1, for the fish at 6, and then for the like concert, you can see it here. The opening concert and closing concert will be held daily at 7 during the first and final weeks. Okay, so that's for the winter season. But if you want to check on like the events we have here, you can kind of like see it here. So for bird watching, available now, as you can see, and then for sea fishing, available now as well. And then we also have these other activities that you can see the schedule. So yeah, when you're confused, you can just press on these icons and you can actually see the schedules and not ask all the time like, oh, I can't go to the concert. Well, you need to go when it's time. Okay, guys? Like, yeah. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.